What happens when a team committed to excellence hits the road? Come along as we look back at our epic 3-day magical escape to Highland Bali Villas Resort and Spa. Naka-video.
Wala, hindi ka nakita yan. Video ko yun.
Video.
Ay, video pala. Video.
From Manila, our first stop to this epic 3-day adventure is Vicentico's. You can't start a journey on an empty stomach. We're talking authentic Filipino flavors and even better company. If food is a love language, this team is feeling the love today. A celebration of Filipino flavors in a hapag style or traditional Filipino food served with a focus on local ingredients and classic recipes. Housed in a converted Spanish-style ancestral home for that grandma house feel. And here we are at Highland Bali Villas Resort and Spa. Our Bali-inspired home for the next 2 nights. Walking in here feels like stepping into another world of pure relaxation and bliss.
Yan yung nakikita natin.
Si Mitch yan.
Diyan tayo magsuswimming sa water park.
Ate Kawai!
Kaway kayo, kaway. Alam mo, nagbablog.
Let me take you now on the resort tour. Our rooms are nestled at the back of the property with only trees and nature surrounding us. A perfect vibe for a collective energy. Welcome. Hi. Welcome. Wala siyang ilaw. Yan natin yung light. Ayan. Welcome. Firmenich, Philippines. From Chris Libunao. Thank you for choosing Highland Bali Villa Resort and Spa. Ayan. Welcome to my room. Ay, kitang-kita. O, diba? Tignan natin ang toilet. Oh, ba't ganun ang amoy? Ay, wow. Ang ganda. Oh, diba? Very nice. Ganda. Tignan natin ang laman ng ref. And let's see. Ay, oh, diba? You have Coke and everything. You have free coffee. Gusto ko yan. And then you have minibar and Pringles. Ayan. And then you have chocolate. Wow. Per ganda. Oh, diba? Very nice. Thank you for Firmenich Philippines. Ang ganda po rito. Anyway, let me take you to the rest of the amenities inside the resort.
So this is the water park daw. Tapos maraming kalat, chay-chay. It's a cafe. So these are also rooms. These are bigger rooms.
This Balinese luxury sanctuary is nestled in the heart of Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija, just a scenic 4-hour drive from the bustling metropolis of Metro Manila. And every 5 p.m., they give free hot choco and chocolate chip cookies. Anyways, I can't wait to take you to my run tomorrow to Pantabangan Dam.
Welcome to Pantabangan Reservoir! Hey guys, eto pala yon. The Highland Bali Villa. This is where we will kayak. Yes. So here's the Highland Bali Villa. Something. I don't know how to. Let's go.
The partnership between Highland Bali Villas Resort and Spa and the Pantabangan Dam area is a beautiful example of how private enterprise and natural infrastructure can harmonize to create a world of possibilities for tourism and local growth. A good example is this balsa. This floating villa is the crown jewel of their lakeside experience. It's designed to give you a front row seat to the beauty of the Pantabangan Dam, blending the resort's signature Balinese luxury with the thrill of being right on the water. Jet ski, banana boat ride, and kayaking are just some of the activities that you can do here in this floating villa. And this will be the location of our team building activities this afternoon. So watch out for it. But first, let me just take a good panoramic look of this floating villa.
Ganda rito. Oh. So, okay. Here. Sana malaglag yung phone ko, di ba? So here's the Highland Bali Villa floating island. And the rest of the watershed, it's so big. Ang ganda rito. And it's very hot at 6:30 in the morning. We're walking to this place. There's a watershed. I just want to see a good vantage point from here. I'm not sure if I can go. So here's another vantage point at the Nia watershed lookout.
And we are now going back to the floating villa for our team building activities.
Ano daw? Dapat medyo mahaba, mga 10 syllables.
Halo. Halo. Tama.
Ay, ang galing. Ano na?
Abaniko?
Ay, abani.
Jokes, ayaw daw buksan. Tatanggal ang buto, ikaw. Wala mo. Nagtatanggal ang balakubak, ikaw. Ay, hindi na pwede.
Nag-jogging ako eh.
Ang pinggan. Ano paano? Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Nagluluto ako, ikaw.
Nagkukuskus ako, ikaw.
Sasayaw ako, ikaw.
Nagpupunas ako ng semento.
Ano yan? Ay, nagsasabi bawal. Nag-iisip ako. Naglalagay ko ng earring si ikaw. Wala. Mukhang matatalo si Nick.
Naghuhugas ako, ikaw. Nagalo ko ng pancake, ikaw. Gumagawa ko ng bread, ikaw. Nag-DJ ako, ikaw. Ng semento, ikaw. Nag-mix ako ng pancake kayo.
Nagdadagod ako, ikaw. Gumagawa ko naman. Nagmamarcha ako, ikaw. Nagdadagod ako. Naglalaba ako ng mga kumot, ikaw.
Kumot!
Ano ba? Nagpupunas ako lamesa, ikaw. Nagbabasa ako ng crystal ball, ikaw.
Tinitingnan ko yung tubig kung malinaw.
Kinakaplos ko yung kabaong ng lola ko, eh.
Namasasawa ka, ikaw.
Wala sa naghahawan ako ng sinampay, ikaw.
Tinitingnan ko kung meron pang dumi ang tubig.
Ay, pareho yun.
Tarot cards, eh, ikaw. Pero parehas lang yun.
Oo.
Basta ako ng chacha, ikaw. Nagsusumba ako, ikaw. Wow. Oh my God! Pwede Nagpupunot ako, ikaw. Ay,
It was indeed a high energy
high fun kind of activity with the fresh air and the calm view of the Pantabangan Dam as your backdrop.
Dikit yung dalawa.
Tumatawid ako ng suspension bridge, ikaw.
Tumatawid kami ng tulay. Tumatalon. Pababa. Tumatalon pababa. Ikaw.
Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and be updated on tea on things. See you again and bye.